Hi, I'm John Seed from the Rainforest Information Centre. We've been working for the world's rainforests since 1979. In the year 2000, we funded some Buddhist forest monks in Thailand who were saving rainforests by ordaining trees. By wrapping cloth around the tree and performing a ceremony, the tree was ordained as a monk and the woodcutters stayed away. Then, in February 2013, we sent $2,000 to monks in Cambodia who'd been inspired by the Thai successes. We bought bolts of orange cloth, which the Venerable Dharmajat and his community used to try and stop illegal logging and corrupt land development.
We flash these trees.
We flash these trees.
For it is a father.
For it is the fathers
of the forest.
of the forest.
Now, in August 2013, we're trying to raise $5,000 to support the Buddhist monks of the Prolay Temple in Cambodia. They are defying the plans of the Cambodian and Chinese governments to dam the Areng Valley. If completed, this dam would flood their temple out of existence, destroy the lives of over 1,000 indigenous people who will be relocated to a barren area in the path of a wild elephant corridor, and flood part of the Cardamom Rainforest, the largest remaining forest in mainland South-East Asia. There are presently 88,000 signatories on a petition to the Chinese company and authorities. Please add your voice to the growing movement requesting them to rethink this uneconomic dam. The Areng Dam would spell catastrophe for rainforest species by inundating their habitat. Only about 100 of the highly endangered Siamese crocodiles remain worldwide, and most of them live in the Areng Valley. From an economic point of view, the project makes little sense, as its costs would exceed its benefits for the country. Up to 20,000 hectares of rainforest would be flooded, half of them in the central Cardamom protected forest. The lost habitat is one of the most important biologically diverse areas in Cambodia, with more than 270 animal species recorded in the valley, of which 31 are globally threatened. Among these are the Asian elephant, the clouded leopard, the Siamese crocodile, the dragonfish, and white-winged duck. Development of the densely wooded river valley would pave the way for illegal logging and poaching. More than 1,000 indigenous Khmer Daum people face forced relocation from their ancestral homelands. Other energy companies have studied this project but turned it down. In addition to the environmental damage, the costs for the dam would be very high in view of its low capacity. It would generate electricity only in the wet season, and its projected maximum output of only 108 megawatts would not meet much of Cambodia's rising energy needs. China Cambodian Corporation, however, now wants to sign an agreement on the construction and operation of the dam with the Cambodian government. Please help to fund this project. Even $10 goes a long way in the hands of volunteers in Cambodia. Share this with your friends on Facebook and email, and please ask them to sign the petition.
Chúng ta dùng bồn ở vây mình smart bồn sừng cướp thò mà chết đi lại làm phổ.